This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Apple Waldorf Salad, only way. Chop apples, celery, and walnuts, then toss with yogurt dressing and lemon to prevent browning. Use crisp apples and firm celery for a lively crunch. Mix gently so fruit stays intact and toss in grapes only if you like them. Chill the salad for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors before serving with a sprinkle of parsley for color. In this video, I will explain how to make Apple Waldorf Salad, only way. Start by measuring apples, celery, grapes, walnuts, and yogurt so everything is ready. Core and chop apples into bite-sized pieces, then immediately toss with lemon juice to prevent browning. Roughly chop celery and gently halve grapes. Toast walnuts in a dry pan until fragrant, then let them cool before adding for extra crunch and flavor. In this video, I will review how to make Apple Waldorf Salad, only way. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot Smart Speaker musical notes. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot Smart Speaker and use it for cooking timers and playlist vibes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make Apple Waldorf Salad, only way. Whisk Greek yogurt, lemon juice, honey, and a pinch of salt until smooth and bright. Toss apples, celery, grapes, and walnuts with just enough dressing to coat without sogginess. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity, then transfer to a chilled bowl. Let the salad rest in the fridge for 30 minutes to marry flavors before serving with fresh herbs if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.